Firstly, to download your own Reels, simply open the Instagram app and navigate to the Reel you wish to download. Spot the three dots menu in the bottom right corner, click it and choose Save to Camera Roll if you're using an iPhone or Download if you're on an Android. Voila, your Reel is now safely stored in your gallery. If you're browsing Instagram on your web browser, it's just as simple. Navigate to the Reel, right-click anywhere on the video, and choose Save Video As. Choose your preferred location, save the video, and you're done. Now, let's talk about downloading Reels from public accounts. Open the Reel you wish to download, hit the Share button. It looks like a paper airplane, located in the bottom right corner. See that download option? Give it a click and watch as the Reel magically appears in your gallery. If you're thinking of using online downloader tools, proceed with caution. It's always best to stick to reputable sites like iGram or Veed. Simply copy the Reel URL, paste it into the downloader tool, hit download and save the video. Just remember, always respect privacy and avoid downloading private Reels. As a bonus tip, did you know you can download multiple Reels at once using online tools? Some of these tools even offer features like video editing or adding music to your downloads. To wrap things up, remember these key takeaways. You can download your own Reels directly from the app, download other people's Reels from public accounts using the Share button, or use an online downloader tool. But remember, always respect privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more social media tips. And hey, why not share some of your favorite Reels in the comments? We'd love to see what's making you laugh or think or dance. Until next time, keep reeling.